Hey everybody, it's nice and dark in this car because it's nighttime. It's approximately 9:16 p.m. What did you say that was?
December 22nd.
Miss Heather's driving right now, and we're heading to the Jacksonville International Airport. And I know this has got nothing to do with model building or anything like that, but our Ruthie has been gone to Maine, Kennebunk, Maine for
a week.
Almost a week.
Flew by herself.
She flew all by herself at 14 years old, and we are coming into the, let's say, stay in this lane right here, and we're coming into Jacksonville International Airport, where she will be landing at 9:50, I think. So stay in this. We're gonna go parking. And anyway, we're coming to pick her up, and I wanted just to bring you guys along to show you us getting her from the airport. She hasn't seen her dad in a week almost, and she might cry, so don't pick on her too bad. So we're gonna get the car parked here, and we will we'll see Ruthie coming up the terminal hopefully pretty quick once she gets landed. Stand by.
Oh my goodness.
This is it. Here's the busy, ultra busy Jacksonville, Florida International Airport. I'm just joking, it's not busy at all, which it is after 9 o'clock at night. She had, also, I'll tell you real fast. So Ruthie flew from Portland, Maine this morning, or this afternoon, like 12:50. She flew from there, got dropped off by her uncle, and she flew to Baltimore, got there at like 2:30, and had a 5-hour layover. They had some technical difficulties because I guess all the snow or something, so she had to leave later. And anyway, she had a 5-hour layover at Baltimore. So it's 9, she left at 12:50, and she'll get here at 9:50 tonight. So I've got to put this muzzle on real fast, and I'll be right back. All right, look how empty this place is. It's like there's nothing going on here. It's not a really big airport, but it's not the smallest either. It is just so empty. She's gonna be so glad to see her mom and dad and sister, Ellie. They're right up in front of me. But anyway, I'm not gonna waste too much of your time. I'll turn this camera around, let you see me with the muzzle on. So, I've got one of these. Well, they're not exactly a certified real mask, but I can actually breathe. But anyway, yeah, so I just want to bring you guys along because just something different. Wanted you to see Ruthie as she came from the terminal and greeted her father and mother and sister and the joy that she has. But anyway, guys, I'm just joking. It is going to be good to see Ruthie. But anyway, here we go. We're going down here. We're just going to sit down in some rocking chairs or something and wait until 9:50, or probably more like 10 o'clock, because it takes several minutes to get off the plane. So okay, stand by. So Ellie wants to ride the escalator, so here we go. Do like Elf. Do like Elf. Oh, you didn't do it. What a short escalator. But we get to go down, Ellie. All right. They're like model car videos. This has nothing to do with model cars. Yee. We're like the only ones here, so I guess we could do this as many times as we want, right? Look at the camera. She'll look at it now she has a mask on. So here at the airport, I've never been to this part, but it says Aviation Gallery, and there's actually a windows down here where you can watch the planes. There's this big brass Jacksonville International Airport, 1968, I guess, is Development, completion, and dedication of all facilities. So in 1968, I thought it would be older than that. Anyway, I'll show you this, guys. There's some models here. They're airplanes, but it's really, really cool. And some old parts of airplanes. Like here's what is that, altitude or something? But here's the Spirit of St. Louis that Charles Lindbergh flew. I don't know if that's an actual model kit, but it's made out of metal. Someone built that. It's pretty cool. Here's a smaller one here. Old time helmet. Pair of gloves. Let's see. Pair of flying gloves, it says. Right there. Here's an old light. Here's I already showed you that. Here's another. That's like a sock with camel, I believe. Soap with camel. Whatever it is. Oh, and then check it out. So the Jacksonville airport has been here a long time, just not the international airport that we're at apparently. Here's some sort of old seaplane. All kinds of neat wing lights and radios and things like that. And here's oh boy, help me, B-25 Billy Mitchell. Is this a B-25 right here? And here's a GB, I think is what they call it. G something. Oh no. Here's a Spitfire that's turned upside down. It looks like it fell off of its base. I don't know how that would have happened. What's that, like a Waco or something like that with the tail missing? And there's another Spitfire. It's like a Ford tri-motor.
I don't know if this is for landing.
Uh-oh, we got a plane landing. What time is it? Hey, I've got one of those at the house, that scale too. Actually, my Ellie was beginning to build it. You see a plane?
No,
oh, there's a lot of stuff down there. Here's a model cars. Cool. So here's a F4U Corsair. There's an Air Cobra over there, which is a cool plane.
In compliance with the state of Florida
Because
Indoor Air Act that prohibits
it had the engine behind the pilot, but it drove a shaft up to the propeller. Really cool. There's a P-47.
Smoking and vaping areas outside the terminal building on both the
There's one of them bombers.
Thank you for your cooperation.
I don't know what those are. I forget what it is. And here's some sort of biplane, like a larger biplane. And here, Ruthie, Ellie said there's some cars. There's some military stuff. Check it out. Uh-oh. We've had an accident. We've lost a front tire. There's a Skyhawk, P-47, F-16, Harrier. That looks like a Hellcat. Is that what that is? It had retractable wings or something, but anyway. And there's a Jeep over there. Here's a course, it's a Sabre. What is it? I forget. And there's there's MASH. And here's a guy over here hiding out. Nobody ever sees him. There is I don't remember what the number is, but that is what they call a Viking, and an F-18, and a neat model of a DC-10. What is that thing? I don't remember what it is. It's one with the big tail. MC something, I don't know, 11, 10. I think that does it for, oh my goodness, there's a couple of die cast. Sorry guys. So, what is that, is that her? Okay, so I think Ruthie's pulling up. There's a Southwest, see if I can get this. There's a Southwest 737, and I think that's my Ruthie right there. I think that's her. Where's it pulling to? Right here. Cool, we're right here on top of it. Well, this is cool. I'm glad you guys could come watch this with us. I didn't know that we could actually get right here at it. 730, no, yeah, that's a 737. So I wonder where she's at. I'm waving. I don't know if she can see me or not, but I'm waving. I don't even know if she's by a window. Too cool. Pulling up to the And man, he gets awful close to the engine before it shuts down. I guess that one must have been already shut down. I think sometimes they come in with only one engine running. Cool. Now they're bringing the, what is that thing, that walkway called? They're bringing it up to the plane, and then you can see the people inside there. Yeah, that's her. Where's she at? Oh, cool. So Ruthie is on the other side of the plane. I guess maybe a window seat. But she said she did see us standing here when she was pulling up. So that is too cool. Mama Bear is running up there so she can see her Ruthie. Alright, she just round the corner. She's going to see him and she's going to act like she's not happy to see us. There she is right there with the blue hat. Been gone a week. I expect to see some tears. Oh, she's already she's already crying. She missed us.
Attention to terminal, attention to terminal. As a reminder, the upper and lower bowl curves are for loading and unloading only. The driver of the black Mazda CX-9 will park at the curb and turn.
All right, Richie, come give your daddy a hug.
Once again, with the driver of the black Mazda CX-9.
You're on film, baby. You miss your daddy? Glad to see you. All right, she made it safe and sound. I hope she wore waterproof mascara. We'll give them a minute. All right, so all the crying's dried up. Everybody's happy. We're heading home. It's 9:55. She actually got here earlier than what they expected. And Ruthie, are you glad to be home? Very. Is it cold in Maine?
Freezing.
Freezing, literally.
Yeah.
She did a lot of snow stuff while she was there. Tube or sledding.
What was the most fun thing you did? Tubing.
Well, but it wasn't even a tube. It was just a disc.
It was a
disc. You guys that live up in the north, you know those round things you sit inside. Looks like a trash can lid. She did that. Cross country skied, other stuff. Anyway, we're glad she's home. All right, guys, I'm gonna close this video. Thanks for watching, and maybe Ruthie will get a model built now. All right, see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Ruthie.
Bye.
Bye, Ellie.
Bye.
See you. Bye.